Hello mangoes, this is another workout for you to do while traveling. So it doesn't matter if you are on a business trip or if you are on a vacation, this is perfect for you. Or even if you are at home and simply just want something new, something different to strengthen your body, then this is it. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, let's start by open your legs if you're apart, lengthen the spine and sit tall. Or if you feel like you can cross the legs and sit like this, open the hips and open the chest, then feel free to do that. Hands on the knees, take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Arms to the side, relax your shoulders and start to rotate the torso to one side and come back to the opposite side and back to the center. And a couple more times with your own breath. Keep breathing and pull the belly button all the way in, lengthen the spine, relax your shoulders, come back, inhale and exhale, and one more time to the opposite side. And slowly back to the center. Lean on one side to the side bending. Try to reach your hand as far as you can and start to go to the opposite side. Reach. And slowly bring your torso back to the center and start to rotate the wrist and reverse. Rotate the shoulders and then reverse. Now rotate the head around your neck. Go to all four directions. One more round and then reverse. And slowly bring your head back to the center. Now I wanted to allow yourself to take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply through your mouth and sit along the mat. Knees bent, legs open, arms to the front, relax your shoulders, and now start to inhale, lean backward. You can walk your feet a little bit towards the hips if it helps to keep the knees at 90 degrees. You already feel your abs are working to keep your body in this position. Inhale deeply through your nose, engage the abs, exhale deeply through your mouth. And now inhale slowly, try to bring your torso back and lean backward. Exhale and inhale. Shoulders still stabilized and far away from your ears. And two more times. And last one. Do it as slow as you can. And I wanted to inhale, lean backward. Open the chest. Exhale, rotate the torso to one side. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale one more time. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the other side. And inhale, slowly bring your torso back to the center. Gently shake your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Now use both hands to hug one thighs. And now lift your leg up to 90 degrees. Open your elbows wide. Relax your shoulders. Stabilize your shoulders. And now inhale, extend the ankle. Lift your opposite leg up. And lengthen your leg. Come back. And 5, 4, 3. Engage your abs as much as possible to support your lower back. 2. Last one. Lengthen and come back. Switch to the opposite side. Inhale and exhale. And 4, 3. Slowly. 2. Elbows wide. And last one. And slowly bring your feet down to the mat. Gently shake your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And when you're ready, I want you to lengthen your legs. Open your legs with the pat. Flex the ankle. And the arms to the front, lengthen the spine. Inhale and exhale, round your spine, move forward. as far as you feel good. And exhale, come back, lengthen the spine. Again, inhale. Exhale, flex. Inhale, bring it back. You might feel a little bit stretching on the back of your knee and your legs. And bring it back, lengthen the spine, and couple more times. When you flex forward, make sure you engage your abs and soften the knees if it helps to keep your body further. Good. And come back. And 2 more times. And last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Gently shake your hips, bring your hands behind the hips, close the elbows. Now if you want to make it easier for the wrist, put your whole forearms down to the mat. And inhale, lift your hips up, chin to chest, look to the front, and then come back. I'm gonna try to do 5 more times. Or you can lift and only use your hand to put down if you feel like your wrists are strong enough. And you would feel comfortable while doing that. So lift it up and down. And 3. Slowly. 2 more times. And last one, shoulder stabilized. And slowly bring your hips down. Awesome. Go to the beginning of the mat. We're gonna roll all the way down like a ball. So, arms to the front, shoulders relaxed. Now lean backward and round your spine, each vertebra at a time, hands over your head. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, use your abs to lift your torso up to sitting position. We're gonna try to do again. So lean backward, lengthen the spine, and halfway round the spine, each vertebra at a time, hands over your head again. Inhale, and exhale. Lengthen the spine, keep your ankles flexed, and come back and round, hands over your head. Inhale, lift, and exhale, come to sitting on the sitting bones. And 2 more times. Inhale, lift, and exhale, roll all the way up to the sitting position. Last one, lean backward and round and come back and up. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, come to on-toe position. Open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs width apart. Tuck the feet, pull the belly button all the way in. Inhale and lift your knees off the mat, and exhale, bring your knees down. We're gonna try to do 10 times here. So 4 arms down if it's easier for the wrist. So lift it up, bring it down, and 9. Keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, and 5. Come back. 4 more times. 3, 2, and last one. And slowly lengthen your legs, come to forearm plank. Now inhale, hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, lie all the way down on your belly. Gently shake your hips, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Now keep your hand next to your chest, close the elbows, or easier version for the wrist, forearms down. I want you to tuck the feet and lift your whole torso up again, or if your hand next to the chest, go a little bit more challenging here. So hold it here for 3, 2, 1, and slowly bring your torso down, come to try pose. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply through your mouth. Gently shake your hips and exhale deeply, and slowly come back to open position. Now from here, I'm going to lengthen one leg. Inhale and lift your leg up. Exhale, bring your leg down. And 9. Keep breathing. 8, Bring it down slowly with control and hip stabilized. In 5, 4, 3, awesome, 2, that's amazing, and last one, to the opposite side, 10, squeeze your booty, squeeze your inner thighs, 3, 2, and last one, and now slowly come to own position again. Tuck the feet, lift your hips all the way up. Take a deep inhalation, try to put your whole feet down to the mat, but if you cannot, it's totally fine. Just start to bring one heel up and down into the other side, like we're walking slowly and gently. And when you're ready, slowly bend your knees. Come to child pose, take a deep inhalation, and exhale deeply. Awesome. And when you're ready, come to sit along the mat again. Now I want you to keep your hands behind your hips, close the elbows, pull the belly button all the way in, lift your hips up, and now walk your feet to the center. Inhale, lengthen one leg, exhale, come back to the other side. Anytime to make the wrist feel better and more supported, put your whole forearms down and start to lengthen each leg at a time. Come back to the other side, back to the center. And 4, 3, and 2, and last one, lengthen to the other side and slowly bring your hips down. Gently shake your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. One more deep breath and exhale deeply. Awesome. Now I want you to open your legs wide. Bring your hand to the front of your chest. Start to rotate the torso to one side, come back to the other side and back to the center, and 5 more times each side. You can make a narrow angle to the legs if you feel like it's easier to sit tall and to lengthen the spine in this movement. So listen to your lower back, listen to your body, and slowly back to the center. Open your arm to the side and round your spine. Inhale, lengthen and chest open. Exhale, round. Inhale and exhale. And a couple more times with your own breath. And exhale and slowly bring your torso down. Cross the legs, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Awesome. Now I wanted to allow yourself to open your arms to the side and start to make a little pulse with the arms. We are going to strengthen your torso a little bit, your whole shoulders, arms. And then we're gonna go to give a little stretch on this area, on the neck and upper shoulder. And palms facing up, make a little pulse in the same way. Use your whole arms to pump. And now I want you to allow yourself to bring your arm to the front and open and come back and open. Still lengthen the spine and engage the abs. And slowly keep your arms to the front, bend your elbows to 90 degrees. Now inhale and open your arms. And exhale, bring it back. Keep your upper arms high, so that way you feel your arms are working like crazy. Awesome. Come back and open, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Awesome. So before we complete, let's start the last challenge for this workout. I wanted to come to sit along the mat again. And now keep your hands under the thighs. Lift both legs up tonight, parallel to the ground. Open the chest, lengthen the spine, work your abs in this movement. Now inhale and try to lengthen one leg. And exhale, come back to the opposite side. Still try to lengthen your back and engage the abs here to support your lower back. Inhale and exhale to the opposite side. If you feel like you can lengthen both legs at a time, feel free to try it. So I'm going to try to do a couple more times. So inhale and exhale. And if you feel like you can let go of the hands, so lengthen the legs without the support from your arms, your hands, then please feel free to do that. And awesome. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, bend. And 3, 2, and last one, lengthen. And slowly bring your legs down, hug your knees to your chest. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply through your mouth. Bend one knee and lengthen one leg backward. And stay here for a couple of seconds. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply, gently shake your hips so you're going to feel the stretch on the side of your hips. And we're going to go to the opposite side whenever you're ready. So lengthen. And shake gently. And slowly bring your feet back to the front. Now rotate the ankles and then reverse to the opposite side and reverse. Lengthen your leg. Use your hand to touch the toes if you can. Try to pull up so you're gonna feel the whole back of the leg is stretching. It feels so good. And then to the opposite side. Try to go a little bit higher if you can to really feel the stretch. And then slowly bring your knees bend and leg down. Take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Round your spine and then articulate the spine. Cat and cow in sitting position. And round. And articulate. Relax your shoulders. And 3. Come back. 2. And last one. Open and bend round back to the center. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Now I want to rotate the shoulders. Reverse. One more round. And then reverse. Now interlace your fingers. Rotate the wrist and reverse. Reach your hands all the way up and down. Lift and down. And then slowly bring your hands to the back. Interlace your finger backward. Lengthen the arms. Lift high and then come back. Now lift high and rotate to one side. Come back. Down. Lift high. Rotate to the opposite side. Back and down. And shake your hands. Take a deep inhalation again. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And one more inhale. Exhale. Now if you need a little more time here, just stay here in this same position. Pause the video. Take a deep inhalation and exhale through your mouth. As much as you need. So you can even close the eyes. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply. And whenever you're ready, just open the eyes. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.